Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope that all are doing well. So as promised, I am back with the recipe of the amazing indigo hair oil, and it's very easy to make. You just need 4 ingredients for that. First, you have to add 1/4 cup of organic indigo powder, and then in equal quantity you need to take any hair oil of your choice. I am taking coconut oil in 1/4 cup. You can take olive oil or mustard oil, but I prefer coconut oil because it's really mild and it actually helps in extracting the indigo dye really well once you make the hair oil. So as a base, it's just excellent. You need to mix it really well, and after you mix it, you have to simmer it on low heat for like 10 minutes until you see the bubbles forming. So this hair oil is excellent to reverse premature graying of hair, and it's also really good to prevent it. But the key is that you have to use it regularly, because one of the thing in it is indigo extract that actually colors and tint your hair if you use it regularly. And the indigo hair oil is also really good for hair growth. So once the hair oil is simmered, after 10 minutes you have to put it through a sieve in a clean nice bottle, and after it's cooled down a bit, you have to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I'm using organic aloe vera gel, and 1 vitamin E tablet. Now you just mix it well, and your hair oil is complete. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you're gonna make this hair oil and see the results for yourself. So kindly hit the like and the subscribe button if you like this video, and for more details log on to my website.